everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. Today I have a Trendsend. Trendsend is by a store called Evereve. Evereve is located, their headquarters is in Minnesota, and they have stores throughout the country. However, there's none in New Jersey, New York, or Connecticut, or Delaware, and I don't even think Maryland. There is one in a couple in Massachusetts and a couple out near Pittsburgh, but there are no anywhere within a 6 hour radius of me. So I do like Evereve's clothes, and I choose to do a Trendsend because shipping is free both ways. You pay a $20 styling fee, keep what you like, send back what you don't. If you have purchased from them in the past and you purchase a significant amount, they will give you more items. However, it seems like they only give 6 items to those of us that don't purchase a lot from them. A couple reasons I don't purchase a lot from them is they're pretty pricey. That's number one. And number two, I'm only 5'2", so things often don't fit me the way I would like them to. So I can do a wish list on the Evereve site, which is exactly what I do. And I tell my Trendsend stylist specifically, please only use items on my wish list. Keep it to this price range. And these are my priority items that I like from the wish list. So I only actually do a Trendsend on demand, and I only do it when I have enough items on my wish list that I really want. So some of you have said you like the format of me doing the try on and skipping this intro, and other people want the unboxing. Well, if you want to skip forward to the try on, please do. This time I'm going to do the unboxing. So I opened the box up and I did read the notes, so I kind of more or less know what she says. So here's the first bundle, okay? Now the first item that she sent me, let me get out my price sheet. You get a price sheet, a note, and ways to style these items, and they're put in bundles the way they are styled. So the first item I did not request, but I'm very, very happy she sent and pleasantly surprised. Because in my note, she said she noticed that I didn't keep the Citizens of Humanity joggers in my last box, and the reason why, it was just they were just out of my price range. They were well over $200. So she then said, I'm going to send you these. These are by Sanctuary, the Rebel pant in True Khaki, size 25. Now, I got 20% off. If you use my link, which I'll post down below, you'll get 20% off, and I will get 20% off. So somebody use my link. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It helps me to continue doing my little shopping habit. So these are $99 retail price, but my price is $79.20. And I don't think that's a horrible price, to be honest with you. So they're a pair of tan jogger pants. I do not own tan. I do not own anything in this color right now as far as casual pants. They're the jogger style. They got the cargo pockets. They are not pull-on. They're a zip fly with 2 buttons on the top. And they got the pork chop pockets in front and the flat pockets in back. So I am super stoked that she sent these. Sanctuary usually fits me very well too, so I will try these on and give these a go. And $79.20 I don't think is that awful. Okay, next up she sent was something that I specifically requested and I really like. It is this Ivory Sweater. Let's see, hold on, let's make sure I get this right. Evereve. The Evereve Nora Pointel pullover in oat in an extra small. My price is $86.20, original price $108. Yikes, all right? But look how pretty this is, all right? I really, really like the shape of this sweater too. You see how it goes down like almost like in an inverted triangle and gathers more at the waist. I really like that style. So it's a short sleeve, but I was gonna say it's almost looking like it's gonna be like closer to my elbow. It's like a longer short sleeve. And it's a pointel and they're calling it oat. I would call it ivory. And I think this is just adorable. And I'm excited to try it on. With it, she paired this cami, which there's nothing wrong with this cami. It is intimately by Free People in an extra small / small. It's the seamless V-neck cami in white. $24 is the price that's listed on here. The original price is $30. So there's nothing wrong with this cami. I am a little bit disappointed that she sent this as one of my 6 items because I got camis. You know, I'm not going to spend $30 on a cami. I will try it on with the sweater, but I probably won't take it off to show you. I'll just probably describe the way it fits. It does have a V-neck, which is nice. Maybe this is why she suggested this cami is V-neck, but I think I could find another cami for a V-neck, and I probably don't need this one. And it's a solid white, so I'll try it on, but unlikely to keep that. All right, and this is another thing I wanted to point out is that they often do your outfits in bundles. Okay, here's the next bundle. Now, I didn't request any bottoms, and they do do this in outfits. So they always have to kind of send a bottom. I don't think I ever just got tops, even though that's all I usually request. So I got a pair of jeans. These are the Evereve high-rise straight in the color Apprise, size 25 for $110.40. I think I might have gotten these last box, all right? Original price, $138. So they're pretty clean jean. They are, you know, scissor hem here at the bottom, unfinished hem. And there's a little bit of distressing here on the back pocket and a little bit distressing here on the front, but nothing outrageous. I mean, these are nice jeans. The last pair I tried on I liked a lot, but I really don't need jeans. But I'll give them a shot, see how they are, and if I fall in love, you just never know. All right, next thing that they sent is something I requested, and this is also by Evereve. This is the Sasha Raglan Ringer sweatshirt in Ivory / Blush by Evereve. My price $62.40 and original price is $78. It is a sweatshirt. I thought the styling was cute. So it has a gray collar, blush sleeves, gray cuff, ivory body, and gray band here at the bottom. I thought it was adorable. Not so sure of the fit. It's looking rather boxy. The inside is kind of more of a French terry, not a very soft French terry. Let's see what this is made out of. This is 88% cotton, 12% polyester. So it's very soft. I do like it. I don't have much in the way of sweatshirts, and I thought this was just kind of cute. I kind of like this one. And I never told you what the sweater was made out of, so let's look at what the sweater is made out of. 100% cotton, okay? So right now, I'm thinking this sweater, this top, and the pants. We'll see. Alrighty. Last item. Also on my wish list. And I have to say, I'm disappointed. This is what I expected at all. So this is another reason why I do the box. I'd rather pay $20 than order something online, pay for shipping, and then find out when I get it, ooh, that isn't what I thought it was. So this is the Paisley sweatshirt by Sundry in pigment cashew. And they have weird sizes, Sundry. So it's a size 0, which is like equivalent to an extra small. It's $110.40 my price. The original price, $138. I don't like it. All right, I'll tell you why I don't like it. I'll come close. So the front is like a Sherpa, and it looks like the inside of a worn sweatshirt, and I don't like that. I don't like my things to look like they've been used. The entire back, though, is a floral paisley print, and the sleeves are fully paisley except for the cuff. And this is another thing I don't like about it. It's an unfinished bottom. So they do have stitching there, so it's not gonna disintegrate on you in the wash. But I find when I do wash these, the bottom tends to roll up and look a little sloppy. So I can tell you now that this is a no, and I'm not even, like, it looked nicer online. Looking at it now, I'm not so crazy about the print as much as I saw it online. All right, so that's the unboxing, and give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first outfit, the Sundry sweatshirt, which I do not like. So the front part is, and it's not even like a smooth fleece. Like it almost looks like it has, like, I wish I could show this to you in the camera, like pickies on it. So it's like almost like coming apart. I don't like that. I don't like the high neck. I don't like the print. I mean, there's nothing about this I liked, and I loved it online. So that goes to show you nothing in person is what it seems. Please keep in mind, I'm only 5'2", so the sleeves are a little bit big on me. Nothing outrageous, but you know, obviously I can push them up. It is kind of a boxy cut, and the bottom, like as I mentioned, it is unfinished. It's stitched so it won't unravel, but there is you know, nothing to prevent it from curling up. And the inside is not soft. It's like almost this is like almost inside out. Like they put this part on the outside versus the inside, so it looks like a used sweatshirt. The back part is a little bit more soft because it's the outside, if that makes sense. They like literally did the reverse. So not fond of the sweatshirt. The jeans, however, I absolutely love. These are Evereve jeans. They are roomy. They have, let's see if I can show you here, a lot of room here in the waist. I would not size down, but if you are in between sizes, size down. So these are extremely comfortable. I want you to look to see where they're landing on me because they're the perfect length for a shorty like me. They have a button fly that is hidden, all right, just so you know that. And I mean, they're super comfortable. If I needed jeans, I'd be snatching these up. These are fantastic. I really like these jeans. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna pop on the other sweatshirt. Okay, up is the next sweatshirt. Now this sweatshirt is much nicer. When I mean nicer, it's the bottom is a banded bottom. The inside is softer. It has banded sleeves that come in a little bit of a puff here. There doesn't seem to be any puff on top at all. And it's like that baseball style. I own nothing like this in my wardrobe, absolutely nothing. Kept on the same jeans, which are really growing on me. Boy, are these comfy. Do I need jeans? No, Carolyn, you don't need jeans, but these are really nice. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to see if I need this top. Again, I have nothing like it in my wardrobe because I mean, I have a short sleeve sweatshirt, one, and this, nothing like in this baseball style, and I like that it's neutral colors, so I think this is really cute, but we shall see. All right, give me a minute, I'll pop on the last outfit. Okay, so this is, I'm very, very pleased with this outfit. The pants are by Sanctuary. I think they fit fantastic. There's just a regular zip here, 2 buttons, plenty of room, as you can see. Could eat a good meal in these. If I wear a belt, it should stay up. They got the pork chop pockets here in the front, some utility pockets here on the side, a jogger style bottom, and the Evereve top is just absolutely perfect. Perfect, the sweater. So I'll come closer so you can see the detail. Okay, it's a really pretty sweater. So this is definitely a keeper. I'm gonna look back at the footage to ensure that the sweatshirt, it looks good on me, and I'm gonna be thinking about the jeans. Give me a minute for a wrap up. Okay, I did some number crunching. So I also have a $15 rewards. If I kept the sweater, the Ringer baseball tee, the sweatshirt, all right, the sweater, the Ringer baseball sweatshirt, and these tan pants, with the discount of the rewards, it would be $213. If I buy 4 or more, I actually save 10%. So it would be, with including the jeans, which I really don't need, but I really like them, it would be $290. Or $289 and change, including the $15 reward. So it would be like 70 something dollars for the jeans, which is not a bad price. The question is, how much do I love them and do I want to keep them? I haven't made up my mind yet. What I have made up in my mind are these 3 pieces are going to go back into my closet right now. I will let you guys know. I have a Stitch Fix box here that I need to unpack and see what's in there. I bought some things at Loft last week. And, you know, that is it. I want to thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care, and until next time.